Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to create Facebook stylish name without any VPN. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. So first of all, we'll open Facebook and show you the account. So we want to create this account name stylish. We'll minimize. Now you have to open Google Chrome or any browser. After opening the browser, then you have to open google.com. Type here F symbols. Click on search. Here you will see first site. This one you have to click on it. And then you have to scroll down. Here you will see Facebook name style letter symbols. Click on it. And then you have to scroll down. And then here you have to type your name which you want to convert as stylish name. After typing your name, you can choose any other option. You have to click on the next option. If you like this one, you can go ahead. Otherwise, you can change this one. You can click on the next one. So we are going to use this name. You have to copy the name. Copy this one. Minimize this browser and then open Facebook. Click on these three lines which you can see at the top right side. Scroll down. Click on setting and privacy. Click on setting and then click on personal and account information. Click on name and now you have to paste the name here. Copy the last name. Remove the space and paste here in the last name, last part of the name. Click on review change and here you can see Facebook has accepted this name without any issue. And then you have to type your password. Click on save changes. And here you can see our Facebook account name is successfully changed. And here you can see the name is successfully updated. So in the same way, you can also create Facebook stylish name without VPN.